Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to solve this 6 raised power x minus 1 equals 25. So applying this rule, the rule of indices a to power m minus n is equal to a to power m over a to power n. So if we apply the half 6x over 6 is equal to 25. So from here, if we cross multiply, we have that 6 to power x is equal to 25 times 6. Okay, so applying logarithm to this, we have log 6 to power x is equal to log 25 times 6. So using the power rule of logarithm, log log a to power m is the same as m dot log a. So applying this rule into this, we have x log 6 to be equal to log 25 times 6. Alright, from here we can decide to divide both sides by log 6. So we have x log 6 over log 6 to be equal to log 25 over log 6. So if this cancels this, we have x to be equal to log 25 times 6 over log 6. Using product rule of logarithm, which says that log m times n is equal to log m plus n, we can say that x is equal to log 25 plus log 6 over log 6. Okay, from here we can decide to separate our log. We have x equal to log 25 over log 6 plus log 6 over log 6. So if this cancels this, we have x to be equal to log 25 over log 6 plus 1. From here, we can also see that x is equal to log 5 squared over log 6 plus 1. At this point, we can rewrite this to be x equals 1 plus log 5 squared over log 6. So if you are to apply the same power rule, we have x to be equal to 1 plus 2 log 5 over log 6. At this point, we are going to apply change of base, and the rule states that log c to base log b to base c over log a to base c is equal to log b to base a. So applying this rule expression, we have that x will be equal to 1 plus 2 log 5 to base 6. So this is our solution for x. Now to verify this equation, okay, now let's substitute the value of x into this. We have 6 into bracket 1 plus 2 log 5 base 6 minus 1 to be equal to 25. So this is 6, 1 minus 1 plus 2 log 5 base 6 is equal to 25. Okay, if this cancels this, you have 6, 2 log 5 base 6 is equal to 25. So if we are to bring back this square, we have 6 log 5 squared, so base 6 is equal to 25. Alright, from here we have 6 log 25 base 6 to be equal to 25. Using the inverse property of logarithm rule, which is a log b to base a is equal to, we have that 25 equal to 25. So this verifies our solution. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel and see you in my next video.